I heard a woman ask yesterday, should I ask my clients what they want? She had a program and she was looking to tweak her program. And I always think asking your clients is a great idea if you want to change things in your business, change things in your programs and offerings, etc., because they have great feedback for you. But one of the things sometimes our clients really can't help us with is our content. Because if you think about the people who are already working with you, versus those people who have not yet come into your world, the people who are maybe still lurking or commenting or engaging in some way with your emails, your podcasts, your socials, etc. They haven't learned all of the stuff that your clients have learned, right? It's even true that sometimes our audience doesn't believe in themselves enough to make that leap into your world and hire you. So our job as content creators is to not only speak to our clients and understand where they are, but also understand the difference where our audience is. What's the insertion point where somebody becomes goes from an audience member to being a client? That's a big shift right there. And until that happens, a lot of times we're at a different level on the customer journey. So I want you to think about, is your content perhaps talking too far down in your framework, or taking them too far into what you do with your clients and they don't have any context or heuristic for it? Or is your content speaking over the heads of your audience members? Like maybe your clients understand your particular jargon, they understand your insider language, they understand the things that you talk about that maybe an audience member would not yet understand. So what I have learned from doing my content creation work with my clients is that even people who have been in business for 20 plus years forget what it's like for their audience member who hasn't yet come into the orbit of their world. So think of your content as the receptionist at the office. The receptionist's job is to welcome people in, give them the lay of the land, help them understand what's going on. It's vital. And if you have still been pretending that content isn't important, or you've been hiding from it, or you've been just doing it and not getting any impact or answers, it might be because you aren't speaking your audience's language. You aren't talking about the things that they need. Until you know your audience better than they do, and I'm talking about audience versus clients. Till you know your audience better than they do, you're really going to still struggle with your content. So I'm really hoping this is helpful to you. I have several solutions for this. One is a very easy digital product called Batch Your Content. And in it, you learn about your audience, exactly what to say to your specific audience, not mine, not anybody else's. And you'll walk away with 4 weeks of content for your audience planned out. I'll actually put the link in the comments because it just might be an easy fix for you to start thinking about your audience in a new way. I hope this was helpful, but start thinking of your content as the receptionist of your business. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.